Hey, fitness crew, are you ready to crank up the intensity and test your limits? Today, we're throwing down the gauntlet with the push-up speed challenge. How fast can you do 50? That's right, 50 push-ups, as fast as humanly possible. This isn't just about strength, it's about speed, stamina, and that fire in your belly to push through the burn. Whether you're a gym junkie or just someone looking to spice up your workout, this challenge is calling your name. So, how fast can you do it? Let's break it all down and find out. What's the push-up speed challenge? Here's the deal, you've got one goal: bang out 50 push-ups in the shortest time possible. No breaks, no excuses, just you versus the clock. It's a classic move: hands on the ground, chest dropping low, and powering back up, but now we're adding a twist: speed. This isn't about slow and steady, it's about blazing through those reps like you're racing for the finish line. Think you've got what it takes? Let's see why speed matters. Push-ups are awesome for building your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, everyone knows that. But when you turn it into a speed challenge, you're not just working strength, you're tapping into endurance, power, and mental toughness. Your heart's pounding, your lungs are burning, and your muscles are screaming, but you keep going. It's a full-body wake-up call, and the clock adds that extra adrenaline kick. Plus, it's a killer way to measure your fitness level and flex some serious bragging rights. The benchmark. So, how fast is fast? Let's set the stage. Average Joe/Jane, most people who can do 50 push-ups take about 60 to 90 seconds, roughly 1 to 2 seconds per rep. Fitness buffs, regular gymgoers might clock in at 45 to 60 seconds, hitting a smooth rhythm. Elite level, the speed demons, think athletes or military pros, can crush it in 30 to 40 seconds, flying it over a rep per second. World records? Some freaks of nature have done 50 in under 25 seconds. Insane, right? Where do you think you'll land? How to take on the challenge? Ready to give it a shot? Here's how to tackle the push-up speed challenge like a champ. Warm up first. Don't dive in cold, do a quick 5-minute warm-up. Jog in place, swing your arms, and knock out 10 slow push-ups to get the blood flowing. Loose shoulders and a warm core will keep you injury-free. Perfect your form. Speed's the name of the game, but sloppy push-ups don't count. Hands shoulder width apart, body straight as a plank, chest dropping to an inch off the ground. Half reps? Nope, go full range or go home. Set the scene. Grab a timer, your phone works, hit start, and drop. Count out loud, trust me, it keeps you honest, or have a buddy track your reps, film it if you want proof, or just to flex later. Push the pace. Start fast but steady, think a controlled sprint, not a chaotic flail. Around rep 20, your arms might feel like lead, but dig deep. Shorten the range slightly if you must, but keep moving. Finish strong. Hit 50, stop the clock, and collapse in victory. Note your time, you've just set your baseline. Training to get faster. If your first try leaves you gasping at 2 minutes, don't sweat it, speed comes with practice. Here's how to level up. Build endurance. Work up to 50 push-ups in one go, even if it's slow. Break it into sets, 5 by 10, 4 by 15, and cut rest time each week. Boost power. Add plyometric push-ups, explode off the ground so your hands lift. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 to train that fast twitch muscle pop. Drill speed. Practice 10 push-ups as fast as you can, rest 30 seconds, repeat 5 times. Shave seconds off each round. Strengthen the weak links. Triceps and shoulders lagging? Hit tricep dips, 3 by 15, and pike push-ups, 3 by 10, to power up. A strong core helps, 2 throw in 60-second planks. Test weekly. Retry the challenge every 7 to 10 days. Track your time and watch it drop as you get sharper. My first try, a little story. Want a laugh? The first time I tried this, I thought, 50 push-ups? Easy. I hit 30 in 25 seconds, feeling like a rock star, then my arms turned to jelly. I wobbled, slowed, and barely crawled to 50 in 1 minute 42 seconds. My dog just stared at me like, "What are you doing, human?" But a month later, after some drills, I clocked 58 seconds. Progress, baby. What'll your story be? Tips for success. Breathe. Exhale on the push, inhale on the drop, don't hold your breath or you'll crash. Find a rhythm, like a drumbeat in your head, to keep the pace. Wider feet can help with stability if you're shaking. Hydrate before, and stretch after, your muscles will thank you. The payoff. Nail this challenge, and you're not just faster, you're tougher. Your cardio's better, your arms are steel, and you've got a number to throw around. Yeah, I did 50 push-ups in your time. Beat that. It's a mini victory that fuels bigger goals. Plus, it's addictive. Once you hit your mark, you'll want to shave off more seconds. Your turn. So, how fast can you do 50? Grab that timer, drop to the floor, and find out. Maybe you'll surprise yourself. 30 seconds? 45? Even if it's 2 minutes, you've started something awesome. Share your time with me, I want to hear it. And if you've got tricks to go faster, spill them. Let's turn this push-up speed challenge into a movement. Go get it!